Hey there, friends! Welcome back to Error Genie, your go-to channel for straightforward troubleshooting. If you're facing the dreaded something didn't go as planned, undoing changes error while trying to install updates, KB5046740 or KB5046617, you're in the right place. Follow these step-by-step solutions, and let's get your Windows updates back on track. Step 1. Start the App Readiness Service Open Services. Press Win+S, type Services, and hit Enter. Locate App Readiness. Scroll down to App Readiness and double-click it. Set to Automatic. Change the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start if available, and hit OK. Try updating again. If the error persists, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Move or delete the WinReagent folder. Open File Explorer. Go to C: and look for the WinReagent folder. Create a backup. If the folder exists, copy it to your desktop as a backup. Delete the folder. Once backed up, delete the WinReagent folder. Retry Update. Open Windows Update and check for updates. After a successful update, you can restore the folder from your desktop. Step 3. Run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Open Settings. Press Win+I to open Settings. Navigate to Troubleshoot. Go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Run the troubleshooter. Find Windows Update and click Run. Let the troubleshooter complete and attempt the update again. Step 4. Restart Windows Update and BIT Services. Open Services. Press Win+S, type Services, and hit Enter. Restart Windows Update. Scroll to Windows Update, right-click, and select Restart. Restart BITS. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Set it to Automatic, and restart it. Retry your update. Step 5. Use the Windows Installation Assistant download. Installation Assistant. Visit the official Microsoft Installation Assistant. Run the tool, click Download Now, run the file, and follow the prompts to update Windows. Step 6. Download the update manually. Go to Microsoft Update Catalog. Visit the Update Catalog. Search for the update. Type KB5046740 or KB5046617 and download the correct version for your system, x64 or ARM64. Install the update. Run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 7. Reset Windows Update components. Create a batch file. Open Notepad and paste the reset commands provided in the description. Save it as resetwu.bat on your desktop. Run as administrator. Right-click the file and select Run as administrator. This process will reset all Windows Update components. Restart your system and try updating again. Step 8. Use Media Creation Tool. Download Media Creation Tool. Visit Microsoft's website and download the Media Creation Tool. Run the tool, select Upgrade this PC now, and follow the prompts to update your system. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the something didn't go as planned error and help you install updates KB5046740 or KB5046617. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Error Genie, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.